Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Hybrid Plus channel and I want to talk about the operation of the spark plug. First of all, let's see how the spark happen. It's because of the random movement of electricity, or it can be because of the loose connection and if there is any gap between the plus electron or negative electrons. Let's see the connection of the spark plug. A spark plug is connected to the ignition coil and the ignition coil is connected to the battery, but it's connected to the positive port of the battery. From the positive port of the battery, electron moves to the ignition coil. Ignition coil has a two part, secondary coil that is increase the speed and the primary coil which is produce the electricity, and it can be reached to the 30,000 kilowatts. So the electricity that speed is increased and it produced more than before, it will send to the spark plug, positive port of the spark plug. From there, that electrons moves towards down, and if you see that the body of the spark plug, which is I mentioned with the arrow, those are connected to the body of the engine block. Engine block has a negative electron, so the negative electrons of the engine block is transferred to the spark plug. And if you check, there is a gap between the plus and minus. In that situation, the spark will happen. In this spark plug, there is an insulated part from the body of the spark plug. Then we have two types of the spark plug for the hot weather and the cold weather, which is hot spark plug and the cold spark plug. The difference is that for the cold spark plug, it's happened because it dissipating the heat, because the connection between the body and the body of the engine is strong, so easily it transfers the heat from the body of a spark plug to the engine block. Again, for the hot spark plug, it's heated. It won't dissipate the heat properly because the connection, the spark plug body and the engine body is not strong. So it's related to the connection between the spark plug to the engine block. The engine block has a negative electrons, so that's why those negative electrons, it's transferred to the body of the spark plug and the jerk will happen. In this slide, we have four types of the spark plug. Actually, it's coming as a titanium or iridium, which is iridium is much more better than the titanium, the strongest. If you see, there is a gap and we have one plug or like single plug, different names, and the flow of electron in each one of these are the different from four side, from three side, two side or single side. All of them are related to the flow of electrons, but in different ways.